we are going to explore one of the ways to put on prosthetics. First of all, we need to use a special skin glue. We're going to use the big one today. First of all, we need a prosthetic. It could be a pre-made latex mold, or you can make a homemade light material prosthetic. Let's start by putting the glue around the edges that are going to be in contact with the skin. For a firmer contact, also apply directly to the skin. For larger prosthetics, like this example, we would put small amounts of glue in the central area prior to doing all the edges, being careful, of course, to adjust the correct position as you go around the edges. Now, for the next step, get hold of a brush you want to abuse, along with some liquid latex, like this one. You might prefer to replace a brush with a cotton bud. The idea is to hide the edges by building up several layers, ensuring that they are dry between applications. Another option to hide the edges would be to use a spatula along with Special Effects Senyo Color Wax. You may find the wax is quite solid, making it difficult, even with a spatula, to take it out. It needs warming. My choice is the hairdryer. Get a knob on the spatula and make it as soft as butter. This wax is also ideal for eliminating eyebrows. Drag queens, this product is indispensable, but you will definitely need special skin cleaner to remove. The hotter the wax, the easier it is to apply. For either wax or latex, you'll need talcum or fixer powder to remove the stickiness. It's easy to remove eyelashes and prosthetics. Just grab and pull. More hair, more pain.
Los dos, coge los dos. Y tíralos hacia atrás. Hacia atrás, hacia atrás. Me quitan los cuernos.
Y los pelos. ¡Ay! Me duele más a mí que a ti.
You can buy all these products from bodypaintingbarcelona.com.